Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about service issues, some limited time modes that are coming up, as well as shooting test number 1. Okay guys, so we know we had some service issues recently, primarily around social and partying. We wanted to make good for those of you who experienced that. We're going to be giving 20 stars for our Battle Pass owners and 1,600 gold for our Save the World owners. We appreciate you sticking with us through this and especially through early access, so thank you. We've also received some feedback on the sniper shootout that it didn't make sense for us to add a revolver. I wanted to touch on that briefly. In our early playtest, we didn't have any close quarters weapons, so sniping someone who is 5 meters away from you felt really odd. We threw the revolver in there to combat that so that it felt like there was something you could do to a person who is right next to you. We'll evaluate that for future LTMs, but right now we think that's probably the best route to go. Additionally, we're exploring a blitz mode. We'll have more details to share on that LTM in the future. I've seen some questions as to why we're using squads for our limited time modes. A lot of folks saying, hey, I want that in solo, or I want that in duo. Our intent is that all of our LTMs can potentially be different playlists, but we'll determine what makes the most sense for the mode. Sneaky Silencers is an example that probably makes more sense as solo. So as we roll out more LTMs, we'll be evaluating what type of playlist to use. And lastly, we're also looking at trying to do an LTM somewhere in between squads and 50 versus 50. So as we have more details to share with that, we'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, we've talked in the past a lot about wanting to make improvements to our shooting. Today we have an update. We're going to be running a test to the shooting model as a limited time mode to gather feedback from all of our players. The hope is that eventually we can take some of these changes and put them into our default modes, so please give us your feedback. If you're curious about more details regarding the mode, check out the blog post for more information. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate it. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them on any of our social media channels, and we'll see you next time.